Auzubillahi Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start page number 43. Book page number 43. On book page 43 you have conversion minutes and seconds. Okay? Before we did hours into minutes, but today we will change minutes into seconds. Okay? Dear students, you know that one hour is equal to 60 minutes. You did already. In 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. If you have 1 minute, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay? If you have 1 hour, how many seconds? You have 1 hour, this is 60 minutes and 60 seconds. You have to multiply. Okay? 1 hour means how many seconds? You have to multiply 60 multiplied by 60. So you have to solve this one. 0 multiplied by 0 will be 0. 0 multiplied by 6 will be 0. Now 6 multiplied by 0, 0. 6 multiplied by 6 will be 36. So you have add 0 will be here, 0, 6, 3. Mean 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay, dear students, you have to learn 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay? Let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is, if 60 seconds make 1 minute, then how many seconds in 4 minutes? Okay? Dear students, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay? Now you have question number 1. A 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, how many seconds will be? So as we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 5 minutes multiplied by 60, it will be second. So you have to solve this one. 60 multiplied by 5, 5 0 is 0, 5 6 is 30. This is the answer. Mean 300 seconds. Okay? Now you have B. In B you have 25 minutes. In 25 minutes, how many seconds will be? You have just multiply 25 multiplied by 60. So you can do there a rough work. 60 multiplied by 25. 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30. 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12. Then we have add 0, 0, 3 plus 2, 5, 1. How many seconds are there? There are 1500 seconds. Okay, students? Now question number 2. Question 2 is how many minutes, how many seconds? So minutes are given and seconds are given, you just find seconds. 3 minutes 15 seconds. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Here we will find how many seconds. You know that this is 3 minutes. You have to multiply with 60. And these are seconds, so you have just add. So now you multiply 3 with 60. 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18. Mean 180 seconds plus 15 seconds. You have just add 180 plus 15. 0 plus 5, 5, 8 plus 1, 9. 195 seconds. This is it. Now you have B, 21 minutes 30 seconds. 21 minutes and 30 seconds. You have again 21 minutes. You multiply with 60. 21 multiply with 60 and plus 30 seconds. So you have to multiply 21 with 60. Okay. 1 with 0 will be 0, 1, 6, 6. 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12. And 0, 6, 2 mean 1260 plus 30 seconds. How many total seconds will be? You have just add 0, 6 plus 3, 9, 2, 1. 1290. Okay? 1290 seconds. This is your answer. Okay? We have part C, 90 minutes and 18 seconds. 90 minutes 18 seconds. The process is same. You have just multiply 90 by 60 and plus 18. You have to find this one. 90 multiplied by 60. So 0 0 0 0 9 0 6 0 0 6 9 54. Just add 0 0 4 5 mean 5400. 5400 plus 18. What will be the answer? You have just add 5400 plus 18. 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 1, 1, 4, this one 5418 seconds. Okay, now we have question number 3. In question 3, seconds are given, so we will change seconds into minutes. Okay, question 3, how many minutes and seconds? You know that in 1 minute 60 seconds, in 2 minutes 120 seconds. Here 85 seconds are given. We will change 85 seconds into minutes. You know that 1 minute 85, 1 minute has 60 seconds. So we have divided 85 divided by 60. Then we will find our minutes. So you can do this here. 85 divided by 60. You know that if you multiply 60 with 2 times, it will be 120. It will be greater than 85. So 1 time 60s are 60. Subtract 5 minus 0 will be 5. 8 minus 6 will be 2. This is the remainder. These are seconds and this is minute. And this is seconds. So your answer will be 1 minute and 25 seconds. Okay? Part B. In part B you have 200 seconds. Again we have to divide by 60. So what will be the answer? 200 divided by 60. So how many 60s will be equal to or less than 200? So let's check here. 60 multiplied by 3. 3 6 are 0, 3 6 are 12. Sorry, 3 6 are 18. It is very near to 200. Mean 3 times 60, 180. And subtract 0. It's not possible, so we take carry from here, it will be 10. 10 minus 8 will be 2, 0. These are seconds and these are minutes. Mean 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, dear students. Now you have part C. In part C you have 103 minutes. 103 seconds. Same process. 103 divided by 60. So you know that when you divide with 60, its one time will be 60. 3 minus 0 will be 3. So 10, 43 seconds. These are minutes and these are seconds. So the answer will be 1 minute and 43 seconds. D. 316 seconds. 316 seconds. So you have to divide by 60. So what will be the answer? 316 divided by 60. So how many 60s are equal to or less than 316? You will do multiply. You can check. You guess with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with any numbers. The answer will be less than. Let's with 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 6 are 30. 300 is very near to 316. So 5 times 60s are 300. Then we have to subtract. 6 minus 0 will be 6. 1 minus 0 will be 1 and 0. These are seconds and this is minutes. So what will be the answer? 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Okay, I did all parts and you also do in your copy all the parts. Now question number 4. In question number 4, hours are given. We will change into seconds. I already told you that in 1 hour you have 3600 seconds. Now let's see. Question 4. 2 hours. And we will find how many seconds. 2 hours are given. So we will change into seconds. I already told you that you will multiply 60, it will be minutes. Another 60, it will be seconds. Okay? You already know that when you multiply with this, it will be 3600 seconds. And when you multiply this with this, 3600 multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12. 1 will be again 2 0 6 7. Mean 7200 seconds. 7200 seconds. Okay, next one is 9 hours. B. 9 hours. You know that 9 multiply by 60 multiply by 60. 9 and answer this 60 multiply 60 will be 3000. These are seconds. And now you multiply 3600 with 9. 3600 multiply by 9. How many hours you have to multiply with 3600? 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, 9 6 are 54 and 5 will be carried. 9 to the 27 plus 5 32 mean 3400 seconds. Sorry, 32 sir. 32,400 seconds. 32,400 seconds. Okay, dear students, I did part A and B of question number 4. So C and D, you have homework. Part C and D, you will do yourself. And if you have problem, you can ask me. Question number 5. How many seconds are there? Same question but little different. 1 hour 15 minutes. Question 5, part A. 1 hour 15 minutes. One hour 15 minutes. Here we will change into seconds. Okay? So we have to multiply 1 multiply, you can write 3,600 in 1 hour 3,600, and you can do like this 60 multiply by 60 and plus these are minutes 15 minutes also multiply with 60 15 multiply by 60. Okay, dear students, these are minutes, that's we multiply 1 times 60. These are hours. When you have hours, you multiply 2 times 60, and you know that 1 multiply this with this 3,600 plus when you multiply this with this, you will do this in the rough work 60 multiply by 15. 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 1 zeros are 0, 1 6 are 6. So now you have add 0 0 9 900 seconds. When you multiply 15 with 60, 900 seconds, and 1 multiply with 3,600, it will be same plus 900 seconds. So just you have add 3,600 plus 900. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 9, 15, 5, and 1 will be carried. 9 plus 3, 12, and 1, 13. Mean 13,500. Sorry. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 9, 15, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4. This is 4, sorry. 4,500. Your answer is 4,500 seconds. Okay, we finish this one. Next one is two hours 5 minutes. B 2 hours 5 minutes. So you multiply this, you can write directly 3,600 plus 5 multiplied by 60 because these are minutes. So you have multiplied with 60. These are also 60 multiplied by 60. The answer is 3600. You have to write this. In 1 hour, 3600 minutes. Now you have to multiply with this one. 3600 multiplied by 2. 2 zeros are 0. And 2 zeros are 0. 2 6 are 12. 2 1 carry. 2 multiplied by 3 6 and 1 7. Mean 7200 plus we have multiplied 5 with 60, it will be 300. And when we have add 7200 with 300, it will be 7500 seconds. This is answer. Okay. Here I also did two parts, A and B, and you have C, D, your homework, you will do yourself. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is write vertically and complete. These are also very easy. Question 6 A, 44 seconds plus 28 seconds. 44 seconds plus 28 seconds. So you have to write vertically. Here just seconds are given. You have to write seconds. 44 seconds plus 28 seconds. You have just simply 4 plus 8 will be 12. 1 will be carry. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 2. 7 mean 72 seconds. So it is greater than 60, so you have to divide by 60. Okay? How you will divide by 60? 72 divide by 60. So you will do rough work here. 72. 72 divided by 60. 61 is 60. 2 minus 0 will be 2 and 1. Minutes, seconds. Means 1 minute and 12 seconds. Okay? Part B. Part B, 59 seconds minus 28 seconds. You have to subtract. "59 seconds minus 28 seconds." Just write vertically seconds. 59 minus 28. 9 minus 8 will be 1 and 5 minus 2 will be 3 seconds. As this is smaller than 60, so you will write as it is. 31 seconds your answer. Okay, now part C. Part C is 1 minute 15 seconds, 1 minute 15 seconds plus 1 minute 15 seconds plus 45 seconds. 45 seconds. So now you have to write vertically two terms of minutes and seconds. So you write minutes and seconds. Here you can see how many minutes? 1 minute 15 seconds. Okay. Next value you have 45 seconds. No minutes are given, put 0. 45 seconds will be here. And just you add. So 5 plus 5, 10. 0 will be here, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 2 and 4, 6. 1 plus 0, 1. These are minutes and these are seconds. You can see that 60 seconds mean 1 minute. So you change this into minutes. And these are mean 1 minute. This mean 1 minute. So mean 1 minute and 1 minute, 2 minutes. The answer will be 2 minutes and 00 seconds. You can raise and you can write 00 seconds. This is your choice. You can raise this 00 seconds. Okay, dear students, we did 3 parts A, B, C, and 2 parts D and E is your homework. Okay? Next, what is your homework? Your homework is question 4. We did question 1. I did 2 parts A, B. Question 2 I did all parts A, B, C. Question 3 I did all parts A, B, C, D. Question 4 I did 2 parts A and B. C and D is your homework. Means you will do yourself. Question 4. C, D. Question 5. I did A, B, C, D is your homework. C and D is your homework. Question 6. I did 3 parts. A, B, C. I did and 2 parts D and E, your homework. Okay, dear students, you write all the question 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is your homework, mean you will do by yourself. Okay? Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.